Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to apply false lashes. Grab your favorite pair of lashes. These are your lash bar lashes in the style Tequila Sunrise. Also grab you some tweezers. Grab you some eyeliner, your favorite eyeliner. Grab you some adhesive, a pair of scissors, also some mascara. So let's get started. Grab your lashes out of the box, making sure you don't rip them off the tray. Like, just be gentle when you're pulling them, because some lashes, they're a little finicky now. Make sure you measuring your lashes. So I'm measuring my lashes just to see where I want to cut them. I like my lashes to start where the dark part of my eyeball starts. What is it? I don't know what it's called, Lord. Cut from the outside of the lash, not the inside of the lash, and be real careful when you're cutting them. Add some mascara to your actual lashes just to help blend your lashes to your real lashes to your false lashes. Add some eyeliner so that your lash band and your lashes can blend really, really well, and it can look real seamless. Add some adhesive to both of your lashes. I love this adhesive because of the brush tip it has, and it doesn't allow me to put too much product on my lashes.
Purchase your tracks today.
Fan them so they can dry just a smidge. This is how your lashes should look. Place your lashes in between your tweezers in the middle. Grab your mirror. Place your mirror down, and your chin or your head and chin facing up in an upwards motion. Look down and place your lashes behind your real lashes and as close to the lash line as possible. Get the inner corner and lift up and place it and kind of like push it in, and do the same thing with the outer corner. Kind of lift them up and then push them in, and just kind of fix them to where you like it and where you feel comfortable with putting them. Now you're good to go. I'm doing the same thing with my next pair of lashes, making sure they're nice and straight.
Purchase your tracks today.
Next up is mascara. Just add a little bit more mascara, making sure you don't brush all the way through. Just get to the root of your lashes just to coat your actual lashes, so that way it can be tacky and you can smush them together with your tweezers. That's what I like to do. So now I'm taking my tweezers and just kind of like squeezing my hair to my lash band pretty much, so that you won't see my lashes sticking out on the sides and stuff like that. Bruh, they look so good. Everything I use will be down below in my description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.